This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Hey everybody, Kevin Yannick with Kapowsin Quarry. Got John Hart with Washington Rock Quarries with us here. We're at the Kapowsin Quarry in Washington State. We just saw the King Creek pit as well. John, tell us a little about the two operations you got here and what some of the equipment that's key to processing here.
Yeah, so the Kapowsin Quarry, we started that about 1990. Started out as a family business, and we've been growing ever since, and been operating here in the South Puget Sound area, supplying the major markets up in Tacoma and Seattle with any crushed rock product needs that they have. And we have a couple critical pieces of equipment here. We're using 773s to haul material from the face here out to the processing plant. You got a LT140 mobile track jaw crusher that's in place right now that we're using to crush our shot rock down to a 8-inch minus, and from there we produce whatever material that the market might be needing at that time, anything from road base to erosion control materials and anything that the customer might desire.
Here at Kapowsin, John, you were kind of walking me through the 2024 plant upgrade, kind of the exciting one you found. Tell us the story about that for our viewers.
Yeah, so the long-term goal was always, to expand the plant and upgrade it to increase the production capacity there. And so during our journey for trying to find equipment out there, we came across a plant that was for sale in Canada through one of our equipment salesmen who operates in that area. And it was an old Malott plant that they had built for a processor for out there in their gold mines. And so we were able to go out there, take a look at it. It met our needs, we liked it. We were able to put a deal together. And about 4 years ago, we were able to get the plant down here. And during that time, we realized that we had to kind of accelerate our plans. So instead of waiting 7 years, we had to do it right away. And so, over the last 2.5 years, we put that plant together and kind of adapted it to our needs, made some key upgrades with increasing the size of one of the gyratories. We upgraded it from a GP300 to a GP500, changed the feed system, and we were able to achieve what we were looking for as far as doubling our production. And we were able to get that up and running, and we've been running it for the past year, and everything's been working great. And we actually got a fully automated system in there, so it's all computer controlled with the latest with PLC technology and automation. And the guys love it. It puts rock out on the ground in spec, and working with our local Metso dealer, we've been able to keep the equipment in good shape, and any problems we've come across, we've been able to fix them.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.